Okay, well, I am here in St. Peters, Missouri, which is maybe 20 miles from where I live in Fenton, Missouri. And I'm testing 3 water ionizers with this video. The first one over here is the Kangen water from the Enagic. I'm going to put some water at this is pH level 9.5 is the level that I'm pouring from. And from this hose right here is the Tyent 7070 turbo. But I'm actually not testing the turbo level here. I'm testing level 3 of that water ionizer. And I probably should be catching the acid water as we go, but I just can't think of everything. Alright, and the next thing is the KYK Genesis 7-plate. And that's the 3. And then I'm not going to really, I'm going to wait. I'll test the acid water later when I'm doing the level 4 testing. Because I mean, really, who cares, I suppose, at level 3. Okay. So you know what? I think I could probably safely say I could turn these machines off while I'm doing this. Okay. Alright, so oops, we didn't actually turn that one off. Okay, there we go. Okay, and so I'm going to try to get this to where it can be read in the screen here. This is the Enagic, and actually this is the ORP, which is still changing, so we'll just let it settle down just a little bit.
Okay. Just gonna watch, see what you do.
These meters are just, you know, take a long time.
Oh, okay.
You have to have a lot of patience.
Oh, okay.
But it looks like it's, you know, like negative 500 something, kind of between negative 500. Well, maybe it's going to get up to negative 510. I'm not going to wait forever. I'm going to try to just wait a little bit. Alright, well, I'll wait a little bit longer since it's changing so much. Well, looks like it might get up to negative 520. No, about negative 516 is the highest it got. Alright, and then the pH, it's a little bit shy on light here, is
like 8.25.
8.25. Okay, that's pretty close to what it said it was going to be, isn't it? Or no?
I don't know.
No, I think it said it was going to be 9.5.
5, yeah.
Okay. Alright, so now we'll do the same thing here. The second one was the Tyent, and that's at level 3. And let's see. This first thing we're testing is the ORP. Looks like it's like a negative 650 some odd. Still climbing. And one thing I forgot to test is just the tap water itself. Mm-hmm. So I'll have to do that. Okay. You know, so we see what the source water is, because I'm sure that in St. Peters here, you probably have a little bit different source water than I do.
Yeah, I'm sure we probably do.
So it looks like it's going to probably be up in the 670s or negative 670s or some odd. Yeah, negative 673 is the highest it got.
Okay.
All right. Well, still changing a little bit, so negative 680s maybe. Darn, you have to wait so long for these things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, that's close. Negative, well. When it starts going backwards, that's usually where I stop.
Oh, okay.
You know, so Negative 698, 99. I'll say that's a pretty close call. Alright, negative 700 approximately. And then, whoa, that's a different pH. Holy smokes, 11.05. So that's quite high pH versus the other one. So that's different.
Oh, okay.
Alright, now this one's a KYK. I hope that when we get the movie made that's seeable on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a negative 570s maybe, something like that. Okay, looks like about negative 573. And then pH 10.23. Okay, and I am definitely curious as to the source water here.
Oh, okay.
And I usually have about 10.1, but let me
Here, you
see
want
it
it right over here?
Is this actually this is
Yeah, hold on. I'll get you the tap water.
yeah. Okay. All right, that's good. All right. So it's like whoa. Hold on. Is that pH or ORP? Let me just.
Where do you see? How can you tell?
There's not enough light. I can't see.
Oh, and I would try to help you.
If I see a little dot in there, I know it's. Okay, this one's the pH.
Oh, okay.
You are pretty high pH here in the St. Peter's. We're high too.
Are you?
Louis. I think that's pH. Gosh darn it, 8.46.
Now, where did you say there was a little dot somewhere?
Yeah, I think that's the dot right
Oh,
there.
okay, good. Yeah, there's
Yeah.
a dot there.
Yeah, and then the ORP is a positive, and when
192.
it doesn't say negative, you know it's positive.
Right.
And it's still rising.
Yeah.
So looks like a positive 195-ish or 190s.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know, that's of course going to be positive. That's how most water is.
Right.
You have to do something to the water to make it negative.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's those three, and we're going to